Hey folks, I'm John Laspina, your carnivore teacher, and I am hoping that I can be an inspiration to you and to any of your family members and friends if you share this video. Inspiration is my topic today, and as a former middle school teacher, I taught for 34 years, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. I learned about inspiration, and it's vital to motivate people, to motivate kids, to get them to listen and learn and get excited about learning. And it's not any different for adults. Inspiration is what gets me. When I watch or listen to a speaker who gets me, who says things that make me think, wow, oh my God, I had to pause the video and I have to write it down in my phone or type it in my phone so I can use it to make some of these talks. Inspiration is my epiphany. I love being inspired. And some of the people who inspire me are Carrie Mann from Homestead How, Healing Humanity, are Dr. Ken Berry and his wife Nisha. They inspire me, make me want to be a better person. They make me want to reach up and improve myself. Professor Ben Bickman is my inspiration. I bought his books. He signed one of them. Got to meet him in person. He inspires me to want to learn more about my body and how it reacts to glucose. Dr. Sean Baker. These people are inspirational in that they encourage me to better myself. They make me want to reach. Inspiration means you reach higher. You have goals and you want to be a better person and improve yourself. So be an inspiration to the people you love around you. If you are eating this proper human diet I often talk about in my channel, that I kind of stole the phrase from Dr. Ken Berry, but we all use it, just talking at people, to people, doesn't often persuade people to change their diet and improve their health. Just living my life. Just being who I am around my loved ones and my family and friends, but not talking about it. Over time, they see that I look fantastic, that I look and feel amazing. They notice and observe how healthy I am and I've maintained over the years. And that is the inspiration that I can pass on to them. And they ask me questions, and then the door gets opened and I get to answer those questions. I get excited because the teacher in me pops out and I get to talk about the carnivore or ketogenic way of eating. But being an inspiration is just being yourself, eating the proper human diet and exercising and doing mindfulness to make you, to make me, you, the best that you can be. And then you will inspire others who are having problems and aren't feeling well. They're going to look to you. They'll be drawn to you like a light in a dark room. You are inspiring them to improve themselves, and they'll ask questions. I mean, isn't that how we all came to this anyway? Someone inspired us, and we went down the rabbit hole in the path, at least I did, YouTube influencers, and I bought books I never had before, and I learned, and I'm growing. So I hope to pass this on to you, my viewers. Be an inspiration to the people around you. And when they are ready, when it's time for them and they're looking for answers, the inspiration will be there for them. Have a wonderful day, everybody.